And we are live on YouTube as well, guys. So you all know. I hate that YouTube don't allow us to
Play
play the
music.
music because when getting silence now, I don't know if I'm not hearing you guys or if nobody's talking. You know.
Some royalty-free music other than Happy Birthday would be awesome.
Would be.
Because most of the royalty-free channels that I found on YouTube, they're just freaking playing Happy Birthday with 200 different ways to do it.
To do it. Yeah, I've seen that too.
I did find a website that it's not royalty-free, but for a subscription, you can pay it. And when YouTube goes to do the music validation, they validate that you have permission to use it.
Hmm. I wonder like
Which
Pandora and
is like
things like
30
that.
bucks a month or something.
'Cause Pandora is a pay subscription, right?
Um,
You can with to get out of commercials.
Okay.
yeah, I don't think that counts for YouTube though.
Okay. Because I think like uh if you paying for a subscription, you should be allowed, you know.
Well, if you read those messages, you're paying for the subscription for your consumption. You're not permitted to broadcast it to others.
Gotcha. Okay, now that
Yeah.
makes sense then. That makes sense.
You know, the irony is you're streaming something to YouTube, playing music through a channel being streamed from YouTube, and it flags you,
Yeah.
right?
Right?
Yeah, to me that was the funny thing.
Yeah. I think if you put in YouTube it's because you're allowed you're giving authorization to use. You know what I mean? If you don't wanna hear music, if you don't wanna hear music out there on YouTube, don't allow nobody to use.
Well, that's actually what YouTube's royalty thing is trying to catch is people using music without permission. I've got a bookmark for a company that does this as a service.
Oh, it dropped right to the shoulder level almost.
Yeah, they probably now it's 9 o'clock.
Ah, yep,
I'll be right back, guys.
And how this thing is acting today,
right.
pissing me off that I'm negative in the beginning of the day. Not much though, there ain't nothing
Yeah,
absurd I can recoup, but just pissing me off.
right.
And I don't remember when was the last time before the open that I was negative, but shit happens. But the problem is was me, bias long, and
Mm,
as Doyle was saying that everything is is short, and I should put my bias aside.
yeah.
Let's go over again uh, the high time frames here and see if we can find anything. Yeah, this area here to break. I, again, for you guys that wasn't here, uh, I have a purple line from here to here and touched here too as well.
Mm,
This shoulder area we have not broke through it. We spiked to the all-time high and we came back and we did not break through this area here. So that's why it's like why.
mm-hmm.
Why is not able to break through it. Or one break is gonna break and giving us a push to the 17,000. Let's look the 120 here. The 120, that's what we are talking about, the possible right shoulder, inverted right shoulder right here, right?
Yep.
So possible this happen. You can even have double. So we have the inverse shoulder here, and then we came down. And as I told before, my only concern of the shoulder here is we're gonna come down and hit this area, and instead of go back up, we're gonna be sideways for a little bit.
Mm,
So that could happen as December is here, right? So we might come down here to the 16,000 and end our year here
uh,
to on the 16,000, and I'll go back up until next year. So that's one thing. Let's go to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is down and coming to the POC here. You guys can see my screen okay, right?
yeah.
Alright. Yeah, at 60 minutes you can see the possible shoulder that we are talking about. Inverse right shoulder here. Right? Here, here,
Oh,
and
yeah.
here. So 60 minutes is down. Yeah, that's what the brat was saying about the. Let me move this up to here and get closer. Right there. Oh, I hear some music. Brat, was that you? Make sure, guys, whatever you post is free. Okay. Uh, no copyright. Okay, cool. Awesome. Let me go over this here and 30 minutes is down too, but it's going down. But the engine light is on. Let's put it that way. That's the way I think. 15 minutes. Breaking this trend. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is hooking to the upside now. And just remember, guys, the high time frames depend on the short time frame, right? So when the short time frame starting to turn, we need to pay attention to see how react to the high time frame. So
Yep.
the I don't worry about the 30 seconds, that don't change much, but when you go to like 3, 5, 10, 15, I think that's very important to pay attention for the 5 starting to move. Because 3 is for me is bullish. 3 minutes is bullish right now.
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes starting to be bullish. Not bullish yet, but starting to be bullish. And then it's gonna come to the 10 minutes. That's gonna start if that's his own way, right? If that's the way, it's gonna turn to be bullish as well. And then the 15, and then the 30. So
Yep.
goes like this. Does not change the 30 before changing the small time frame. So you always need to pay attention on that. Okay, let me see something here. That is awesome, Sugar. Now I noticed that. I love it. I love it, love it. Brett, are you here?
Yep.
Doy, are you here? Oh, you guys need to see this shit. Let me save this image here. I freaking love it. No, Lordy, Lordy. I don't know why you get those ideas, Sugar, but daggone it, that kill it. Guys, I'll post this to the partners here first, and then if they agree, I'll post to you guys. That is funny. I love it, love it, love it. Check it out, Brent. Do you see the pictures?
That's amazing.
I'm gonna show you guys
Oh
this
man.
one. Do you like it?
Oh yeah, I gotta save that.
Check that out, guys. That's
Funny.
do you guys like it?
That's pretty
I
cool.
love that.
Yeah.
of course, with Brett looking down on his iPhone.
Probably, right? Yeah, that is super cool. That is super cool. Love it, love it.
So, which president was Doya?
I have no clue.
Which president were you,
I have no
Lou?
clue. Uh, Horizontal line is around 16,418. 16,418. Yeah, that's the purple trend. It's not horizontal. Yeah, actually it is. This here is almost horizontal. You see it? That is the shoulder that we had not broke. We broke right here on this spike today, but we have not broken this, Zach, uh, for a long time since we did the right show. I don't remember the date. I just saw, but I don't remember the date. Uh, but we have not broke. You can see, look, check that out. You can go far. We just broke to do the all-time high, and we came back down and not broke it again since. So it is almost a horizontal line. You're right. Oh man, Phil's not here. I was gonna put him in trouble. Brad, did you send the other thing to Sugar yet or no?
I can use that. I can use that. I'll use that image. That one will work out perfect.
Okay, cool. You better delete that when he comes here and see that, Sugar. That's funny. Hey, the last word in my house is my. I don't care what it is. Even if it's like, yes, ma'am, but the last word's my. I don't care what she say, but the last word always will be mine. Like, yes, man, I'll do it. Don't worry. Oh, daggone it. You know that freaking bad feeling? That's how I'm feeling right now. I don't like that.
Hmm.
Yes, Brett, right on. So now we need to figure it out. A way to post out there that we're no longer gonna have free trial. Our free trial is gonna be moved to the YouTube, and the price you have to December 31st will be the 150, and will be the 500 then. Maybe Doyle can type something up to connect it to that. Ah, okay, you're gonna put in there. Okay, cool. That's pretty awesome. 8 minutes to the open. Yeah, just remember it's almost 9:30, man.
So, what did I miss?
Oh, check it
Nada.
out. Check it out on the features.
You replaced Lincoln.
Oh, the ad? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I mean, it's perfect that she put Brett where Roosevelt is because Roosevelt has a spectacle and Brett has a pair of glasses on.
My gosh, that's hilarious.
Is that awesome or what?
Uh, I don't even know what to think. That just cracks me up, man.
Ay, ay. Oh, Jesus, Brett.
I haven't seen the way that Discord is doing the whole fee thing. Our bot does it too, but it offers no trial and no refund capabilities.
What are you talking about?
Brett posted in our partner channel
Oh,
that Discord now offers a subscription thing.
I don't have anything on partner chat.
It's above your post.
Okay.
Not sure if Roosevelt was a soft speaker. I think he yelled at everything.
And Dewey's
Was
googling
he the
there.
one?
Everybody.
Was he the one that smoked the cigar?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. He had. What was it? Was it? Was it? Gosh, it's
Ooh.
slipping me now. That neurological disease that gives you the shakes. Because I know one of his things from a position of power, despite his height and disability, is he would have that
No,
giant
no, no, no.
cigar.
Um, we're talking about Theodore here, not Franklin.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah. So Franklin is not on Mount Rushmore. It's you know.
Morning.
Ruggers, that was you. Good morning.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to interrupt. I was just trying to say good morning and say good morning before the open. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Holy smokes!
3 minutes.
The company's planning to take a 10% cut of the memberships.
Who?
Never mind.
Discord. Yeah, yeah, because unless they are the payment provider, um, whether they partner with Stripe or PayPal, they're going to take another 2.5 to 3%.
What are you talking about?
Discord doing the server paid membership thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the company's planning to take a 10% cut.
If you use that service.
Yeah, if you use their service, yeah.
Ah, okay. It's like, geez, we don't, right? We use something else. We pay for hours, right?
Yeah, they haven't launched their thing yet.
Okay.
I just thought it would be worth looking at since they're the platform provider, but that fee is atrocious.
Yeah. All right, 2 minutes, guys. Let's focus. Oh man, it's so nice to hear music. Uh, Real quick here before the open, if you do not like the music, right click on Rising Tide Bot under the names, and you can mute it or change the volume for what is good for you.
One minute.
I am going to scalp on my other account that I have set up here. Uh,
Hmm.
and then when it comes down, I'll come back to this account. Okay, guys? Or if I'm not too comfortable, I'll come back to this one. I have a small trades here.
Market's opening with
3 minutes
not a
is,
great location.
3 minutes is up, going to the upside. 10 minutes it's not, does not have divergency yet.
Target, SIP, second target. We're at the 61% of the daily. I would expect that to provide us a little resistance. We'll see though. Or support rather, in this case. Now right below that, at around 275, we've got some strong horizontal support also.
Damn. Holy shit, brother. Check out the 3 minutes candle.
Oh yeah, look at that bad boy.
Wow.
Market just had a bowel movement.
Yeah.
That's funny.
What? Oh, I want fibs. I think I want to test this retracement here.
261. Gone.
Oh, we almost made it to our low yesterday afternoon.
That was 100 points, brother.
Kind of falling knife-ish, man. 320.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't even have a good continuation entry right now for this.
No.
Twenty's down, 60 is down, 30 is down, 15 is very down, 9 is very down. I'd be headed towards the daily pivot around 188. We'll see though. I gotta.
I'm sorry if I'm not talking much, guys. I'm concentrating here, okay? Trying to get out of this hole.
Yep.
Figured that.
Well, I grabbed a bit of this reverse here. Grabbed 20 points of it.
I didn't get
don't,
20.
What was that?
I didn't get 20, but I got like 11.
Yeah, I got it. I have one run with a stop at 280 with 10 points only, but I think it's gonna get me. I'm hoping not. If I can let this one run and get to my VWAP, that'll be good. See. There it is. 45.
More volume in this rise than there was in the fall.
Yeah.
So that's promising.
45 points. So that's good. I'm hoping this was the down to go up, and keep going up. Was just the pull down that we needed to keep on going up. At least, hopefully. The volatility is still there. Yeah, it's gonna accept me. I should have taken that 50 points. That is the issue to be on the negative side. Is try to push what is not there.
My computer just locked up after there it went.
As a hard retest of the POC. Let's see if it's keeping to the upside. 3 minutes is not giving me that though, or the 10 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna accept me. Yep, just got accept. Try this again.
We don't really have divergence yet on the 3-minute.
Now we don't.
Could be a spring bottom on the 1-minute.
Yeah.
What this ABCD might look like. The divergence is there now in the 30 seconds. Let's see if that would make the 3 minutes push up.
points. The thing is, I lost a bunch of points coming down. Broke to the upside. It's like I want to take profit so I can, you know,
Yep.
get there. But on my other hands, as soon as I take a profit, this thing's gonna run up. So I'm leaving at least one running, but damn thing comes back and sip me. You know, I'm hoping that would be a D lag, and if it's a D lag, but my damn sip is what is the POC on this thing? Let's see here. Oh, this one. And guys, I apologize again about the not taking my trades. I'm sure Doyle and Brad is showing theirs. Apologize, I'm not showing on my. He is just I was in a hole, big hole. Now it's not that big. Now it's manageable.
A friend of mine's mother was a interior decorator outside of Beverly Hills, and I thought she was rich. And she had a big fancy house, nice car, nice paintings on the wall, and she taught me a very valuable lesson that summer because she was broke.
Mhm.
She basically said, you got to be careful with money because, the more money you have, the bigger of a hole you can dig. When you're broke, you just got a little garden shovel,
Yeah.
and then you can afford a trencher. And, whenever you've got, a certain amount of money, you can just buy a backhoe to dig yourself into a hole with.
Exactly right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's it. I did not look the amount of money. I have the points, you know.
Yep.
Uh,
Yeah, the
but
money makes you mad. I'd rather chase points than money any day of the
yeah,
week.
yeah, that's what I've been
I don't like
doing.
the resistance that I'm seeing here. I
I'm
thought
not
I thought we'd
either.
break this viewpoint better.
Me too. I don't like either. But 3 minutes turn, you know.
Yeah, it's on lower volume to this consolidation,
Yeah.
which is usually pretty good for a flag.
I guess I do like the volume inside of this consolidation.
It is. The volume is good, but could be this still for the open, right?
Oh, I mean the buyers versus seller volume.
Ah, gotcha. Okay.
It is more to the buy side.
Yeah. The push down for a turn. Uh, hold on. Snoopy, I'll check in a sec. I'm running. I'm on a trade here, and
I
I'm
can check it out.
okay. I'm heavy here. I can talk, but I don't want it to get out of the screen. You know what I mean?
Yep. Yeah, it turned on the 200%.
Awesome. Right here's the
So, hey
120.
Snoopy, on that note, here's what you're going to see. On harmonics, you're not going to see the 200% play out that much. But on breakout trades, which is what that is, that's not really a harmonic, that's more of a breakout trade. That's where you're going to see the 150, the 200 play out a bit more.
Yeah, I added, as you can see here, Snoopy. I added the 200 right here, so I want to see if, you know, works because that's how we added the 150. That's why we added the 141. That's why we added the 127. Was just adding like this. People say, "Hey, check this out. Check this fib," and that's how we end up adding it. So
And we got within 2 ticks of my profit target on that move. I was looking at the 127 of the of that B to
Yeah,
C.
yeah, yeah, I see that. And what I'm seeing
I was
lately,
so confident it was going to happen.
oh man, it's gonna come and sip me for real. Uh, what I've
I
been
could be wrong,
seeing,
but I think this is worth holding long. Um, I don't see it pulling back to make a new low. I could be wrong though. I just don't see it.
yeah. Uh, the what I'm seeing lately for 127 is coming through 100 and bounce off the 88 or 74,
Yep. Yeah,
or 78.
127, and then it retraces into the 100%. Yep.
Yeah, but it's passing through the 100 and going to the 88 or 70s, and I've been
hmm
seeing this lately. So that's something to keep eye on it.
Yeah, because that's pretty much what just happened here on the 30-second.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I guess 1 minute. It's just a little choppier on the 1 minute.
I don't like 1 minute. I don't even look. I don't have anything in 1 minute. 'Cause 1 minute don't
I
give
like my
me.
20-second and the 3 minute.
Yeah, I don't like the 1 minute because it doesn't give me the information that I need for the 3 minutes, and does not give me information inside the 1 minute candle. Is it 30 seconds or 20 seconds? We do. You know, I don't like 1 minute at all.
I really like the 1 minute for me to just pay attention to the timer. I like to see what the first half of the minute does relative to the second half
But if you
of
do
it.
the 30 seconds, you can have
You can
that
still see it.
information in two. You
Yep.
know, that's what I like.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Give it. Oh, wait. Not so fast, not so fast, not so fast. VWAP. My profit target's gonna be VWAP.
Nice call on moving the sip down. It's very, very rare that when I put in my sip, I'll stick to it. I don't change.
Now that it's gotten this high, I'm moving it up a little bit though. I've
Yeah,
got my
I'm
SIP at
gonna.
290 now. Actually, I'll move it up to, is that 295?
I have 292.75. Yeah, no, that's awesome. Snoopy sending us the freaking anything new, anybody, not just Snoopy. If you see something like that, we add it
Well,
and we all check it out as a group, if it works. That's how we come up with the 120, like I said, 127 to 100, and we added the 150 and things like that.
I'll let
So,
I'll let Snoopy answer why he added it there. I had that on my chart as well, and I know why I had it there. But I'd like to
Hey,
hear his
you
answer.
guys are misunderstanding me. Why? I'm asking why you would draw that fib set right there. I'm not asking about the 200. I have the 200 sometimes.
Oh no. Yeah,
I
that's what
draw
I
it
mean.
there.
I had that fib set drawn at the same location Snoopy did.
Oh, okay.
And so, I'd like to hear his answer for it, but I know why I put it there.
I'm gonna hold this thing all day long, hopefully, and get out of my bad trade.
And I'm flat.
Yeah, hope that I'll get out of my bad trade just holding this. Not have to fight. Would that be nice, huh? Oh, freaking.
You probably have it all recovered now, right?
Oh no, man, I was bad. Was bad.
Okay.
Was bad. I need about. If it was one contract, I just need 100 points in one contract.
Hmm.
Oh, so with what you trade, you only need like 2 or 3 points.
That's the thing. I'm trading one contract, 1 to 5 contracts since I did that mistake.
Oh, Gotcha.
You
Yep.
know, I
Size down to recover.
yep,
That
I
way, in case you're
size
still wrong.
way, 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 way down.
Yeah, it's smart.
You know, so that's like right now I have one freaking contract, and this thing's like, you know, that machine that it pump gas and does a move, you know, like ding, 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 ding. You just like, trrrt, and now it's like ding, 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 ding. But I'm relaxed, you know, I'm not freaking out. Oh hell no, I don't change anything real time. I'll play RTY when I have, you know, extra of the day in case something goes wrong. If I move down and I do what I know what to do, you know, uh, that's the way I get out of the holes. We're probably coming back to the B point here now.
Son of a gun, Lou, I did it again.
What happened? You did NQ instead of MNQ?
No, I traded the freaking D leg up to the profit target and
And did
didn't
not move
reverse
back
position for the
to
B
the B
point.
point. I'll try to remind you that. I'll try to remind.
Because I
I
mean,
don't
it
do either.
reversed at the 161.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's what I just said. And now 161 maybe coming back to the B point. I don't think it's gonna come all the way down to the B point because we already
Oh,
did
we
the
got a
B
trend line
point,
there.
right?
Yeah, well, and I've got a trend line there that we broke through without retesting.
Yeah.
So the retest for that it's actually pretty close to B. It's within a couple of points of it.
Since you have the same B point here, guys. Doyle, can you read the answer of Snoopy? Make sure he's cool.
Yep. Yeah, I was checking it out right now.
Okay. Man, I'm giving 40 something points to this damn thing and Cameron's gonna come and sip me. For freaking real? Yep. Holy moly.
Hey, guys that are watching my chart, check this out. Watch how fast this bad boy is moving. I use a 3-minute and 1-minute to look for key areas, and then I use this in the 20-second to kind of gauge what's happening in that area.
That thing's crazy.
Man, sometimes it's like a machine gun going off.
That was an ugly 5-minute candle.
Was, wasn't it? This is basically a spring bottom on the 3-minute now.
It's looking like, right? But
Yep, and this is a key area of support. I drew a horizontal line on here for an area that's got good horizontal support. I'll zoom out and show it to you guys here. Check it out. See that white line that we're playing at right now? Look at the activity that thing has been seeing.
Yep.
I would encourage you guys to look at those areas and put horizontal lines on top of them. Just not convinced it's done falling just yet. It looks like it could be consolidating here for a lift up though. For anyone charting smaller time frames, if this breaks through to a lower low, you've got a trend defining move you'll want to draw on your 20 or 30-second chart. It looks like this might be it. I like this candle. Yep. Should have kept my I don't like it. I picked up my hand to put it on my keyboard to sip or to break even, but didn't move fast enough. I should just keep my fingers there. Trend defining move. Get that trend line on there now. I'll copy and paste this from my 20-second chart.
volume is behind those candles, up candles. See if anything's gonna change. And we are right at POC as well, so I can take a little bit more doing it to get out of here. fight. What a fight. What a fight.
Dang, that was rough.
What was rough?
Waiting that out.
That's alright. That's alright. That's alright.
Confident it's going to hit that target. So I'm not going to sip yet given the size of these freaking candles.
Yeah. Is it scared of that? I don't know how big that is, but it's scared that um
I'm not going to let it go against me. That took
yeah,
too long to get out of that range.
yep. Sip,
Just
sip. Man, what a freaking fight. I'm getting pissed and I don't want to break my rules then go high, go up again, you know? But
mm-hmm.
it's a freaking fight to get smaller like this and get in the big trades. You know what I mean? With trades that don't go in your freaking.
Well,
Ah,
that's what saying we're scalping. We don't really have good setups. I mean, we've had one named setup, and this might be an ABCD down that it's making right here.
oh yeah, you know, I just saw that too. That should be off. It's exhausting day, you know. Not used to work this hard.
Oh
Damn
man,
it.
cracking me up. Hard labor, man. Hard labor.
Yeah. My brain is like. And I almost get to zero, and then bam, something wrong. and then I'm most to zero and bam. So maybe when I get close to zero, I'm quitting for the day.
And guys, on the 1 minute now with that last move up, we have a new trend defining move there. So let's
Yeah.
draw that trend line there.
Hmm.
That's the downtrend now.
It's only 10 freaking o'clock.
Oh yeah. Ah, divergence on the 30-second with this dip down. Wasn't low enough to be an ABCD yet.
No. The 3 minutes divergence is great for going up, but
It's
10
getting there.
minutes is
It just hasn't
still
curved yet.
no. But the bars are, and
Yeah, check engines on.
yeah, and the freaking 10 minutes did not turn yet. X A B C D was working creating the leg up right now. Yeah, that's what we're hoping for. Snippy, that's what we are playing out right now.
But the thing is the D-leg's not formed yet,
Yep,
and the bottom is shaky as crap right now.
it is. It's not a solid trade, It's not an A plus trade. It's like a C trade. But I'm man. I'm hoping to break that trend and the next one. I'm gonna take one off here pretty soon. Another 5 points. I'm taking one off. Oh man, got one tick of my profit taking it. There you go. Took one off. Moving to SIP. And my other one take profit is at the view app, guys. So you guys know. Yeah, I moved my to SIP. I got 25 points on my first contract. Snoopy, take some profit, man. Do not let come back towards you again. I let one come 40 points back towards me. I was mad. So I took profit at 25 points, and I have my second profit at 50. Let's see, right at VWAP, so it would be 56 points up from my entrance. But for sure, take some off. Like I knew when we had broke that downtrend that Doyle was talking about, I knew we were coming back down again. So when broke it, I took one off in case the retest would come down, come down and keep on going down. But just was the rebounds.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till it forms something
Yeah,
solid.
that's not a bad idea, Greg. Not a bad idea at all. Good trade, Snippy. Great, man. And keep talking to us like this, now because that help you with confirming what you're trading, matching with us. So that's perfect. That's perfect. Great job, brother. Great job. 3 minutes is very strong to the upside right now. 10 minutes is hooked to the upside. I'm starting looking the light in the end of the tunnel. Fuck, finally. My neck hurts, my back hurts. I'm all tensed up here. I need to go back to that couple massage there. Later that almost kill me. They send me a message. How did you like it? It's like, well, if I like to get beat up, I'll go to a fight in a bar or something. That's how I felt. Oh, it's gonna sip me. Go back up and sip me. God dang. Oh, I'm so tired, Des. So tired.
Maybe inverse Head and Shoulders here.
Oh, yeah, Greg. I'm taking it. I'm going back in.
Yeah, good call.
Going back in. I should not have let out. I'm gonna put in my. Oh, the good thing I came back with strong that I was. So, thank you, Greg. But in 3 minutes, I don't have anything. Anything at all.
And 10's still down pretty good, looks like.
Hooked, but look at that. Broke. The hook broke.
Mm-hmm.
Right? The freaking hook broke and move this up. I need to get a good run from some of those things. I'm working too hard. But you see, guys, the what I'm doing here is what you all should do it. If you like, you guys that like to do minis and crap like that. Uh, I was heavy and I got in a big hole today. So what I did, I saw how many points I was down. I went 1/10 of my power, and I'm digging myself up. Could I have go double my position and get this, like Doyle said, with 2, 3 points here and there? Yep, I could, but would that be
Also
correct?
bumps the risk up too, though.
Exactly. So I don't want to have risk. So little by little, I'm getting a bite here and there, and let one run, and it's
Hmm.
getting sip me, and uh, it's more difficult. Hell yes.
Hmm.
Am I wanna few times here click to go back to my other account? Yes, but then I click back. No, so no, don't break the
Hmm.
rules, you know, and keep doing it. Uh, so I'm digging myself out of the big positions on the small positions. 5 minute chart over 2 days. You think this playing out the head and shoulder? It's a weird head and shoulder, but why not? Right? Why not? And right here's the head and shoulder of Greg's that I just played. Let's see if take my profit. I put in my take profit too high for this head and shoulder. I think I'm gonna pay for that shit. Let's see. Ooh, almost. 3 more points. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. One tick for it. There you go. Good. Uh, I got the head and shoulders here that Greg pointed out. I took one off. I put in my take profit right there because the shoulder, right? So, and again, I put in my sip, and let's see if this one is the runner. I'll catch the runner, one way or the other.
Hmm.
I'll catch this freaking runner. I need a runner. Yeah, very nice call, Greg. Very nice call. 10 minutes hooked back up.
Oh, Greg, for you to dislike those patterns so much, you sure can identify them.
Yes, right?
Seriously.
I don't mind them as much as I used to now.
Oh,
After
yeah.
the past few weeks, I don't. Yeah, but a lot of it has to do with the doing a lot more studying on the volume. Because for me, it's now it's tying it together even more with the MACD. You know that
Yep.
your A plus setup. Now throw in the volume knowledge, and it really starts to um, tie it all together.
That's my thought.
Oh
I
yeah,
mean, I spend most of my
believer.
day, for most of my setups, I'm looking at volume and momentum. I hardly ever use that multiple time frame stochastics anymore. I use it whenever I'm just stepping back and looking at things, trying to figure out what's going on in the market. I'll study
Hmm.
that, but when I'm engaged in, I'm hunting trades in this area, I'm not even paying attention to it really. Boom, look at that.
Waboom. I was not even paying attention. Waboom.
This push up that we've
The
got, we finally broke that
Okay.
B point with some
right
strength,
shoulder went
but
across the net.
Oh, Finally, I'm on 20, 30 points, and I need 70 points more on this trade, and I think I'll be okay. If it doesn't come back and set me again. So break this thing and go to the upside.
Three-minute momentum is higher than it was for the last high.
Yep. Yeah. So is on balance volume. So there's more buyers at this price level than there was at the previous high.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and the view app is 127, guys, so I expect a bounce there, okay? Which I think what would be closed above this trend, come back down to retest the trend, and hopefully
Shoot.
continuation up. What?
I don't have that trend line. I'm glad you said that.
That is Brad's trend line, I believe.
There we go. I got it now.
Oh, I'm exhausted. I'm whooped. Jesus. I have my taking profit as right now at 227 of this fib, and my SIP is at 300, so that's 61%. So let's see how that's gonna work out. I do not recommend you guys to do that. I recommend you to follow the flag. I just need a little break, so I'm letting run. See if I can get this runner. And now I'm not in the green yet, so you guys know. At this moment, I need the 80 points. If I get 80 points, I'll be on the green. So as we went close to the 127 and VWAP and back down, I'll not be surprised if we do not answer to the 127. So just pay attention on that, guys. Doyle, have a question for you. Doyle.
Yeah, that's I mean, I can move it up a little bit, but price action basically says that that's the low.
Yeah. And days like today, you need to be.
Technically speaking, I was right the first time. It's right there. So we made a higher high, we
Yeah,
made a
the
low,
first
we made
wave.
a higher high, and I'm wrong when price makes a lower low. This thing could move all the way down into here, and I'm not wrong yet. It's just a bad entry.
And sip it again.
And also laid up kind of small on this thing. I've just got 3 micros on it. Candle shouldn't be that big for that much volume.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
10
Right.
minutes, the 10 minutes is getting destroyed. You know, every time they hook to the upside, it come back, you know, and breaks through it.
Yep.
There you go again. I took the retest of that trend.
Bounced right off the 78%, that red candle on the 1 minute.
It did exactly off of it, didn't it?
It's actually where I took a short. That's actually where I took my profit, and I didn't re-enter. But Lou, I've been battling like you have today. But I'm ahead now. Not I've made it back. Did the same thing you did though that you talked about. Like, hey, just lower your size and
Yeah.
do that.
If I had take profit and all my contracts that I'm playing with, I'll be up already. But since I'm letting one run, is coming back. I lost a 48.1. I lost a 28.1. You know, I lost a 32.1. So
Yeah.
to let that one run, and like right now I'm 10 points up on that. And at this time I got in to with one contract, one NQ,
Mm-hmm.
to add more if it came down, you know,
Yeah.
and took off with, you know, just one. So now what do I do? You know, take that damn point or let come. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So I'm letting run. So that is the issue. The one contract is horrible. Is horrible. But being a NQ is hard to, you know, to believe in a 30 seconds trend line to enter with multiple, in my opinion. When I'm negative, if I'm not negative, it's all good. Oh, guys, don't mess with those nanos. I don't know.
That's not a real thing.
It is. It is. They come up with that now.
Who offers those?
We had actually it's a year on the market already. Uh, but I would not mess with that. I would definitely not mess with that. Damn
Yeah.
one.
Scalp
Huh?
that. Just scalp that.
Yeah.
I'm not doing much, but I just took that scalp there. I like the power behind that last 3 minute candle.
Yeah.
Hey Doyle, do you think when it came down there and broke that 1 minute structure, do you think that was is that considered where they're just grabbing the liquidity down there?
With this big red candle on the 1 minute?
Yeah, the one that came down and
So
broke the structure you were playing. Yeah,
yeah,
that.
so when you see something like that happen, with I mean it had volume, but it didn't have anywhere near the volume it should have had. That
And it
volume
just
bar
went
should be like
right
up here,
below
right?
that previous low that you were holding your
Yep.
your stop at. So
So my opinion on it, that's kind of a an exhaustion spike. Let's just
ah,
shove it down there one last time before we go up. That's what I'm hoping it is.
I gotcha.
You tend to see that in exhaustion spikes, a big freaking move up, and it just doesn't have the big freaking move, and it just doesn't have the right volume for it.
Right.
Like all the sellers just or all the buyers just got out of the way so that price could run down. Smart people said, "Yeah, I'll get out of your way. I'll buy that back down there."
Head and shoulders playing out.
On the 30-second,
Yep.
right shoulder just happened. Interesting.
We're also in a triangle. I'm
Well,
sure
that's no good.
everybody
My
sees that.
stop is at the freaking neckline. Killing it.
Oh yeah, there you go. I just clicked on your screen, Lou. You got it. Jumping over to yours, Brett. I rarely ever see you on outside of the 3-minute chart on yours.
Yeah, the three's ugly.
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
Yeah,
Bro,
he is horrible.
it's just a triangle right now. Neckline, head and shoulders done.
Retest the downtrend
Crap.
here and rebound.
We're not making a D-leg on the 3-minute, are we? A D-leg down?
On an AM,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
possible.
Mhm.
Hopefully
Yeah,
not.
like a cipher.
The
Wrong.
momentum for it's just wrong though.
Yeah, I think it's
I
just
don't.
the triangle. I think it's just a symmetrical triangle working out. AMs has been not playing out, lately.
Fuck. I forgot to turn my trade cluster off. God damn it.
Now we might be making this D-leg up. What do you guys think on this 30 seconds? Say
Sharp
yes,
pattern?
say yes, say yes, say yes.
It'd be great for the trade I'm
Possible.
currently in.
Yeah, I'm in too, brother. I'm with you. I'm with you.
I was saying it's in this triangle. Probably going to try to do that inverse head and shoulders on that 30-second again.
This POC here, holy shit, huh?
Mhm.
My goodness. 331. Let me copy this here. And put in this here. One thing is on this 3 minutes that we are sideways, but we are going up. That's the only
Not on the
plus
right
thing that I
shoulder.
see. Whoever is bullish.
What's going up on the 3 minute?
The momentum is going up as we are going sideways. So maybe the candle's gonna catch up.
Couldn't quite look up to me.
There, I'm sipped on that shoulder. Only took one micro. Came down, grabbed me, and went up.
Yeah, right now you cannot put in SIP, man.
Yeah.
It is very, very hard to put a SIP right now. Like right now, I was close to 20 points up, and mm, I have no intention to put a SIP yet. None.
No, it wasn't a loser trade, so
Oh, correct. No, that's good. That's good. And it's hard, right? Because we preach to you guys, put it sit, and now you're saying like, I don't know. It's just
yeah.
different
Well,
type
I
of
mean, and
trades, different type of,
technically, I shouldn't be doing anything right here, anyways. For me, anyways.
yeah,
You know, zeroing down at the end of a triangle, just ranging.
yeah. I'm hoping we break to the upside, this symmetrical triangle here, and hit my 227 that I want. Retest the symmetrical triangle here. Ten minutes is hooked to the upside. 3 minutes is check engine light to the upside is on. 30 seconds as well. We have a bunch of orders all the way down here. Interesting.
this triangle's looking shaky.
Mm-hmm. Keep saying it, right? Keep talking.
Okay.
I think if we break this triangle here, we're gonna go far right down, which that sucks. Might be making your M now after all, Doyle. Retest the symmetrical triangle here.
I'm gonna wait and see if it tries to form a nice inverse head and shoulders. That's the next thing
Yeah,
I'll be looking at.
that'll be good, right?
Yeah, and that's just what I'm next thing I'm looking for.
That double bottom had divergence on the 1, 3, and 5. From when I made that low at 935, 940.
Oh, nice. Okay, I see that.
Yeah, so momentum stronger at that low on the short term time frames. Are you looking at that left shoulder, Greg, at 1036? 1036,
Nah,
that
not for
level right
me.
here?
Not for me because it didn't go up high enough. But that's just
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the neckline's a little messed up.
You know what? The 120, the 2 hour is very down. The hourly is very down. The 30-minute is down. 15-minute is down. Check engine light's barely on.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's basically 10 minutes and less that are showing hope for a long. Everything else is down.
Yeah, and that 2 hour never really had a pullback.
No, it hasn't.
right back, guys.
Yep.
All right. What do you guys think about a descending uh, triangle on the 3 minute?
That's definitely what it looks like.
And that is a continuation still, right? For the most
Yeah.
part.
But it'd be a continuation down
Yeah, yeah.
in this case. It's hard to say no to it. I mean, the 120 is making lower lows on momentum. Volume's falling through the floor. The 60, I mean, that hourly is just getting more bearish by the hour.
Yeah.
30-minute has been bearish since 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon and hasn't looked back and is making more bearish signals as time goes on. 15-minute is making lower lows, and you could say the check engine light's on, but yeah, I think it's kind of strong actually.
Look at how little volume we had on the daily yesterday.
I was gonna say that. Yesterday's move was way too big for the volume.
Way too big.
Oh, that's a great observation. Yep.
Way too big.
Yeah, like twice the candle on 3/4 of the volume.
Yeah.
What are you
look at the previous day. Little bitty candle, a lot more volume. Yeah.
What are you eating over there? Are you eating bread?
Yeah, my bad.
Just you sounding like you're eating is making me hungry.
Had to get my mid-morning snack in.
you think this could be a? I mean, it could obviously, but the fourth wave on the hourly 2 hour Doyle.
Could be. I mean, that's what we were thinking was going to happen at the end of the day yesterday. Was a fourth wave. If that's the case, then what are these?
Yeah, because it can come down to 38, all the way down at like 115. Starting from the 2.
Oof.
So that'd be well within the.
I mean, it could make it to the pivot point and just be a fourth wave.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if we're looking at it as, wave 1, wave 2. Wave 2 didn't break the rules. It didn't technically make a new low.
Yeah, it's close.
Wave 3, wave 4. Yeah, could be. I mean, that's...
That ABCD pattern on the 3 or 5 minute coming down, the 161 lands right on top of that pivot point. Which that's what I'm waiting for as far as the bigger moves anyways. Pretty strong 3 minute candle.
Yeah, good volume too.
I was shoving my mouth with food. Sorry, guys. I hope you guys saw I took the trade. 10 minutes curve to the upside now. Finally. 3 minutes is up. We might have another pull back down here. Hopefully my sip is enough not to let hit me. And I think it's going to sip me as my entrance is right at the B point on this little harmonic here. This one right here.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we are doing this since this one came already, so my possible taking profit will be the double top here. However, what I would like to is take all the way up here. 410. That's where I like to take my profit. That's my goal, which is the trend line that
Mm-hmm.
we had not broke to the upside yet, just to get to the all-time high. All that if I don't get sipped before, which has been happening pretty often lately.
This looks like it's setting up a little bit more of a bull flag.
Yeah, hopefully. The 3 minutes look like a bull flag too. Like I said,
Mm-hmm.
10 minutes turn, so that's I'm a little bit more confident. But I don't know if I have 20 points is enough in case it comes back down. So hopefully we go do another push here before do anything else. If it does, it would be good. Anybody had any problem today? Any concerns? Anything that we can talk about it?
Not me.
Cool. Guys that type anything? Anybody? 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 What?
Brett, I got a problem. Forgot to turn on my trade copier.
Poor you, not make enough money. Graham, thank you. No issues. Oh shit.
Oh,
Serious.
Brad.
Oh, that sucks, man. That sucks. Oh, good practice though.
Oh,
Good practice.
oh my gosh.
Jack, Jeff, real time. Rolling tail, sugar, vanish, Zach. Anybody? Anybody? Oh, that it would be a Doyle question.
Um, that one's audio had gotten corrupted. I need to fish that out. Let me
What
see if
is
I can
it?
find that. The audio on that training got corrupted, so I need to
What is the
see
one
if
that
I've
I
got a good copy
posted
of
on
it. If not, I
YouTube?
got to redo it. No, it's a formal training that was done.
Ah, okay. What do you mean got chopped out of the profit account? The one that you passed already? Real time? And oh shit. No comments, real time, no comments. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna even say it.
Mayonnaise, mayonnaise.
I'm not saying it. I am not saying it. And that I am here fighting, you know, on a small, I still mini on my end, but I have enough capital in my account that I can go against me and I fill back up and finish and be done with. And I'm here fighting, 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 fighting. If you guys don't see that, I don't know, you know, I don't know. You're crazy. Real time
It's the
crazy,
161
crazy.
on this bearish harmonic pattern.
Oh, good. I am so tired. I'm so tired, Greg, that I'm not gonna even move my sip. I'm gonna leave my damn sip right as it is, and I'm gonna let Rich all the way to 410.
Nice.
Oh, let's see if this 410, cause that will be playing this. harmonic here, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm exhausted, guys. I don't know why, but Jesus, my brain is kind of a little weird, but that's what I'm looking for. So let's see here. If I put in here to here, look at that, 188. So I need to move this down to here to the 188. Oh, I wish I had an alarm, right? If you get me out, say, hey, you're out. And then I go back up and do it again. On this trade, I had my mouth full of pizza. It's like, oh shit. Uh, Rowing tail, at least, you identified the issue and you did something about it. Real time, yeah, today, it's not that it was a difficult day, it was this just a little different day that we are dealing with lately. I let it run. I thought we would be like yesterday, 20, 30 points, and but I messed it up, letting run away from me too much. And I had my stop, like my limit stop that I did not want to edit if it hit that point and hit my point before I could edit to get out of the trade. So that's what killed me. And from then I'm trying to dig myself out of this issue. But to do so, what I did, I moved to 1/10 of my size and push myself back up, you know. That's the way I'm doing it, and that's the way you all should do it. And at the
Wow,
end,
there it goes.
we
Man.
work
I think
out.
I'm going to sip this now.
There
What
it
do you think,
goes.
Liz?
Don't say anything, guys. Come on. Now you're pissing me off right now. You guys want to fight with me now? You ready to
Hey, you
fight?
got enough?
Golly.
You got enough? Give me
God
some bread.
damn it. Shh. Don't say anything.
Hey, I'm taking profit. This double top, just so you know.
First target
Ah, ah,
hit, second
ah,
target hit.
ah. What, you just see my count, Brett?
Oh,
How is it playing your sim account? Pok, 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 pok.
got me right in the heart. Oof.
uh,
Oh man, I did not like it. Check it out, the 3 minute scan though. Holy moly. I messed with this. See, that's what I told you guys. You guys talk shit like this, look what happened. God dang it.
Oh, that is bearish.
That
You've got
is
lots of
a
space, though.
just a hard retest of the major trendline break.
Yeah, no shit. I am going to the big move, so I am not worried about that. But yeah, Doyle is correct. It's a hard retest of the break the downshift. I knew we're going to come down, but I was not expecting to come all the way down here.
The B point, what, 292? If it does come down there. Turn it to 227,
Yeah, yeah,
227.
yeah, 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 yeah. I was trying to skip that one, Greg. Thanks a lot.
Hmm.
You guys are killing me. Killing me. Yeah, 227, right? That's what Greg is saying right there. Turn it to 27. And I'm hoping for this bigger one here. $10 still up. 3 minutes. Engine light is on. Uh-oh. I hate, it's every time, this Yahoo has power. I don't know why. I don't know how. But every time something like this happen, right away Yahoo sending me a message. My head is killing me. I'm gonna post it if you guys wanna read it again. Nice cold day on that retest, Doyle.
Stipped me. Dadgummit.
Yeah, I wanna move my thing for the flag here. Oh no, the flag is the B point, right? Hmm.
Well, yeah, we haven't had a range day for a while, but remember, we did move like 800 points yesterday. And so at a periods of high volatility come periods of low volatility. So if we look at a longer time frame, I mean, look at that. That is a giant freaking move.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm flattening.
Yeah, the 800 point move was crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ay, this symmetrical triangle here, I can delete it. Oop. 3 minutes is turning, huh? It's hooking to the downside.
be a flag, but I don't like the big dunce cap it has on it.
Yeah.
Like it could be a bull flag, but it's got that big wick that it did, and I don't like that.
No, that was very bearish for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this can be the lunchtime as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Let's see if we follow this uptrend here and keep following up. Even if you grind all the way there, it's still going the right direction. Brett, don't you dare. If anybody say a word, I'll put on the timeout channel. You can type. Don't say it.
If any of you have not seen that Apple TV series, it is fantastic. It's probably one of the best made series I've really ever seen.
What is
He did
that?
a great job with it. It's called Ted Lasso. He's an American football coach drafted to England to coach a soccer team.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Heard you talking shit. I just got back. What was that, Luke?
Oh, what? What happened was
Well, what I'm seeing is a double
no.
top here.
Oh, fucking. What is the timeout channel? I'm gonna put him on the
Yeah.
timeout channel. I only don't put you in the timeout channel because you're freaking sharing your screen. Maybe somebody's following. Or I had put in the timeout channel. Ay, 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 ay.
I don't know. I like it still for long, honestly.
Oh yeah, my take profit. I told you guys it's 188. Oh, right there. That for some reason moved, so I need to move back down here. That's what I'm going to take profit. Another 65 points up. I'm having a headache. Oh, Brad had to say something, right? Look at that. Look at that. And guys, those blue turquoise line type of deal, this one that I'm putting here right now, those are the 30-second strand line. I do not respect much, okay? Those are just to crowd it in, nothing major to take from. Doyle is too long as well.
I just re-entered here.
Oh, one Brad said and then came back down.
Oh, I was actually in on the way up.
Oh,
I like the way it looked on that B point break. I mean, even this down candle that it's making right now, or that it made on the 1 minute,
mm-hmm.
that was too big of a candle for the volume it had. So I still like it long. Figure, I'm looking at what is this, a 20-point stop with at least a 30-point target on it.
Mm-hmm.
We have ourselves, I didn't put this trend line on here, but yeah, right there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we're in a symmetrical triangle right now. Now we have VWAP and Brad's trend. Hopefully this time we break to the upside and hold it. That would be nice. I mean, we break the triangle, giving us a push up that we need. 3 minutes is behind and 10 minutes is behind. 10 minutes is starting to lose a little bit power, but still there. Come on, you can do it. I just have an idea on our name there. What about everybody putting their own pictures there? So at least we can put in a name to the face. What do you guys think?
I mean, for their icon?
Yeah, at least for our
Yeah,
group.
I mean, it's something they can do. I can't do it.
No, no, no. I know. I'm just throwing out there to see what everybody thinks. Uh, because I think it would be good to see, putting a name in the face and
Then I got to get rid of my cat.
no, just for our group.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think you can change just for the group. You don't need to change for all. And us, they know us, right? They saw our pictures there.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, we got it up above.
Yeah,
If it breaks the top of your triangle, Lou, do you like a continuation play?
I
That's
do.
apparently
Huh?
that's apparently I've been carved in stone.
Yeah, right. Uh,
Well played.
yeah. Yeah, I do like it. Greg, I'm hoping to get to my 395
Yeah,
there,
I got you.
So
I'm just
we're
waiting
just
patient
holding
for
here
a
the
second.
view app, and it's the lunch time, right? So
Hmm.
hopefully we break to the upside.
Another big candle on bad volume.
Yeah. So we're retesting the bottom, the symmetrical triangle.
It's going to hit my stop. So I think I'm just going to call it before it hits it. Get behind this batch of orders here. Afraid to talk about what looks like a floor here.
Where?
Keep bouncing off of it. Buyers or sellers want to push their way through it. So I'm going to close because I think they're going to pull it off.
It's going to be the inverse head and shoulders here.
Yeah, on the 32nd.
Yeah. Volatility's picking it up.
What'd you get out of that one for, Doyle?
There was a stack of orders sitting here,
Okay.
and sellers just kept pushing down towards it, but never hitting it. So I was under the impression that it was probably going to push through it, and
Yeah, you were sitting in that one for a spell.
yeah, I have been.
You've been in a lot of those this morning, though.
Yeah. Test something out here. This works.
I'm trying to see why this volatility in here.
The 61 retracement of today's range.
Yeah, but we're at this area here for a while now, you know. Should not have this volatility. Uh,
Yeah, this level's been like support and resistance. If you like look horizontally
Well,
during
here's
the
what
day.
I'm wondering. If you take a look at the 15 minute, we take a look at the 15 minute, is that a left shoulder? Is that a head? And are we kind of around the top of a right shoulder?
inverse or
No, a regular head and shoulders.
no freaking way.
This is also VWAP from the 6 p.m. open last night.
I mean, here's the thing. I
You see what
mean,
you're talking about.
we've been losing momentum since lunch yesterday. And even though on the 15 minute it's crossed up, we're still lower than we were all day yesterday. But I mean, so the challenge that I've had is I've been trying to get a runner in, and I haven't been taking my profits. So I'm going to test this out real quick. Put on 4 positions with 3 profit targets, and that should leave 1 to run.
Oh, is that a new setup?
Yeah.
Oh, neat.
I don't know when I went long right there after just talking about possibly being at the top of a right
On the
shoulder.
right shoulder, right? But I don't see on 10 minutes, I don't see the shoulder.
Reverse it and give it a go. This should load up that first profit target.
Yeah, do not reverse, Jeff. That's not a good thing to do it. No.
I agree.
Reverse like that is not a good thing at all. I personally don't like it. Doyle does a real good job of doing that, but you need
Well,
to
and,
be very good at doing so.
and you need to have a reason for doing it there. My reason for doing it there was a possible trend line break to the downside. Yes, technically, I'm wrong on that. Right there's kind of close, but if it goes to the other side of VWAP, so oh, it's that swing right there. There's the trend line break. Shortly, it should auto sip if I set it up right. Yep. Yeah, left one running. Like it.
Interesting.
Very nice. That's cool to watch. Are you shooting for that right shoulder to play out for the last one and let it run?
Yeah.
And that's the B point here too, guys. I'm gonna move. Oh, shoot. Damn it. Look at that. Kim hit me, went back up.
Now that we're back on that trend line, the question is, does it have enough strength to keep pushing it down, or are we stuck on it? think I'm going to close this and re-enter on this flag break if it gives it to me.
To the downside?
Yeah.
Hmm.